My name's Addie Klassen. I'm in third year community development here at Acadia, and I'm from Vancouver, BC. Something that's unique about Acadia is that being involved in extracurriculars is a really common thing for most students to do. There's so many different activities to choose from, and every single interest can be met in the extracurriculars. Some things I've enjoyed have been Smile, being an RA, intramurals, dance class, the list goes on. But I wanted to ask my roommates what they've enjoyed so that you can get a better idea of the wide range of different things you can do here.
Hi, I'm Leah. I'm on the varsity swim team, but I also really enjoy doing extracurricular sports like flag football.
Hi, I'm Callie. I'm third year kin student and I love training seniors through the AAA program.
I'm Catherine Henneke. I'm in third year Soc, and my favorite extracurricular activity was Smile this year.
Hi, I'm Kate and I love writing for the school newspaper.
Hi, I'm Lily and I do co-op.
I lived right here at Cutton House for 2 years. My first year, it was my frosh year, and I lived in Cutton House, enjoyed every second of it. My second year, I was an RA, helping first years adjust to university living. Definitely choose Cutton House, favorite building on campus by far. One thing I really love about Acadia is its supportive and inclusive environment. When you're walking on campus, it's hard to not run into someone you know all the time. Oh, hey guys, where are you headed? Your favorite study spot?
Yeah, the KCIC.
If you or someone you know is considering coming to Acadia, do it. Make the jump and come. It's an amazing school with great opportunities and you will not regret it. Come to Acadia because Axemen Pride has no equal.